If you're looking to set up Livestorm for a membership webinar, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to get your webinar up and running in no time. Livestorm is an excellent platform for hosting webinars, especially if you're trying to build a community around a membership program. It's user-friendly and you can use it completely free through the first link in the description, along with our exclusive bonuses to get started. To start, the first thing you'll want to do is log into Livestorm. If you don't already have an account, signing up takes just a couple of minutes. Once you're in, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can create a new webinar. You'll see the Create Webinar button. Go ahead and click that. Now, you'll be prompted to enter some key information about your webinar, like the title, description, and the date and time it will take place. This is the moment to think about your audience, particularly the members you're trying to engage. Make sure your title is clear and enticing, and your description reflects the value of the webinar for your membership base. Next, it's time to set up your registration page. Livestorm makes this incredibly easy. Customize it to match your branding, include details on what attendees will learn, and ensure there's a clear call to action to register. This step is essential for converting your audience into attendees, so take the time to optimize it. Once your registration page is live, you'll want to set up your email notifications. Livestorm lets you send out automatic confirmation emails, reminders, and follow-ups. These are crucial for ensuring attendees show up and engage. Make sure you personalize the emails to make your audience feel like they're part of something exclusive. Then, you'll want to prepare your webinar for the actual event. Livestorm gives you the ability to customize the webinar environment, including adding your own branding, logos, and even backgrounds to ensure it matches your membership brand. You can also invite co-hosts or panelists, and you can choose to either record the session or go live in real time. Once the webinar is ready to go, you can test everything before going live. This includes checking the sound, video, and screen sharing features. Livestorm has great tech support if you run into any issues, but usually the setup is smooth. Now, when the webinar starts, you'll have the ability to engage with your audience through live chat, polls, and Q&A sessions. These features are perfect for creating interactivity in your membership webinars, ensuring that members feel connected and engaged throughout the session. After the webinar, Livestorm automatically provides detailed analytics and attendee data, which can be really helpful in understanding how your members are interacting with your content. You can use this information to improve future webinars and offer even more value to your membership base. And before I wrap up, remember that you can use Livestorm completely free from the link below, along with our exclusive bonuses. You'll get an extended trial period to fully explore everything Livestorm has to offer without committing to anything upfront. By the way, if you want to learn even more about optimizing your membership webinars and turning them into a community building powerhouse, make sure to stick around for future videos. Don't forget to check the link in the description for that exclusive free trial, and that's all you need to know to set up Livestorm for a successful membership webinar. Whether you're a beginner or looking to optimize your approach, Livestorm makes it simple, so you can focus on engaging your members and growing your community